What's going on, you guys? Making a quick video. So I'm doing my homie Jeep, getting serpentine belt pulley, uh, crank pulley. So I'm gonna show you the signs of a bad tensioner. Well, tensioner. But first things first. You can actually hear it, the bearings inside. But this is a fresh spin, fresh spin. And if you look inside here, you see how the rubber meets the pulley, how it's sticking up. That's how it's supposed to be. So it could have lasted, but you get wobble, you get vibration, can set off a misfire. So we changing the pulleys, the tensioner, new drive, a new serpentine belt, and new accessory pulleys. Jones is nice. So let's see how this joint go. I didn't take the video before when it ran and how it's gonna run later. This is a new serpentine belt. The old one, I'm gonna show you that joint. See this joint? Back it out. These new phones, zooming is crazy. No cracks, but it's cracks all in this joint. So it was that time. So I should be done probably like another 20, 25 minutes. And I'm doing front brakes, front rotors. This nigga trashed them Jones. And new wheel lugs. When you keep taking the lugs off these big ass tires, they eat the metal up inside the lug. I did the wheel hubs on these a little while ago, so I know the bolts is cool. So hit you back.